The sleep center sent the prescription, I believe, to my doctor. My doctor sent it in to insurance to get the product. I was so anxious to get the product that I called my doctor, I called the sleep center to find out where the prescription was and how far along we were. I found out the name of the distribution company for the medical devices, and I was on them like crazy, to a point I was like, I really need this, you don't understand. This changed my life. I have the ResMed AirSense 10. You have the unit itself, you have the water chamber, humidifier chamber, and then you have the separate box that has your particular product, be it the face mask, and for me, I had a nasal device with the nose pillow. It's kind of anxious, like a kid with a new toy. It's like the middle of the afternoon, I'm like, yes, I can't wait to go to sleep tonight. So that first night was, I was excited. And since that day, I use it every night when I'm out of town, be it Chicago, going to San Diego, New York, ResMed is with me. To get our replacement parts, the company is Apria Healthcare, who sent my device. And the ResMed AirSense 10 also tells me after a while, there are warning signs. Hey, it's time to change the filter. Hey, it's time to order replacement parts. And I simply look at my personal machine and call up the 800 number to Apria and order more replacement parts.